Today, I'll show you how to deploy Cloudflare Workers using the Cloudflare dashboard step by step. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect your code repository and get it running as a worker without touching the command line. To begin, open your browser and go to the Cloudflare dashboard, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Workers and Pages on the left-hand side. This is the area where Cloudflare lets you manage serverless functions as well as any sites you deploy through their platform. Go ahead and click on Workers and Pages to open that workspace. Inside Workers and Pages, you'll see options to create new applications or manage existing ones. We're going to create a new worker based on an existing code repository, so we'll start a fresh application. Look for the button or link that says Create Application. Click that and you'll be presented with a few different ways to start. Instead of creating a worker from a template or from scratch, choose the option labeled Import a Repository. Importing a repository lets Cloudflare automatically build and deploy your project whenever you update your code. This is ideal if your worker code already lives in a version control system like GitHub or GitLab. After you choose Import a Repository, Cloudflare will ask you to connect your source control provider. Next, you'll connect your GitHub or GitLab account. If this is your first time doing this, you'll see a button to link your account. Click it, and a new window or tab will open, asking you to authorize Cloudflare to access your repositories. This is a standard OAuth flow that allows Cloudflare to read your code so it can build and deploy it on your behalf. Review the permissions and then confirm to continue. Once your account is linked, you'll be brought back to the Cloudflare dashboard where you can select the specific project you want to deploy as a worker. You'll see a list of your repositories from the provider you just connected. Take a moment to find the correct repository that contains your worker code. If you have many repositories, you can usually search by name to locate it faster. Click on the repository you want to use. After you select it, Cloudflare may show you some configuration options, such as which branch to deploy from or how to build the project if a build step is required. Even though we're not adding extra steps here, it's important to understand that this is where you would confirm that Cloudflare is pointing to the right branch and setup for your worker. When everything looks correct and your project is selected, proceed to finalize the import. Cloudflare will then start the deployment process. It will pull your code from the connected repository, run any necessary build commands, and deploy it as a Cloudflare worker. After the deploy completes, you'll see your worker listed in the Workers and Pages section of the dashboard. From there, you can test it, configure routes, and adjust any settings as needed. That's all you need to deploy Cloudflare Workers using the Cloudflare dashboard with a connected repository.